Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a plan with me for Easter week, and I have a really cute kit from Sadie Stickers. It's a B6 kit, so I have used the B6 format in here, but I don't think I filmed it. It was when I was still kind of messing around with the format and everything. So I have this page right here with the date covers and some headers and things. And then here is the B6 format. This has been reformatted since I bought this, but here is what I'm going to be using today. And I think it's going to work perfect in here. It's so cute. Gold foil. I'm really excited to use this format because I think it's going to be perfect. So before we get into the plan with me, let's check in with my goals for this week. Well, my action items. I've got my monthly goals all set up. That video is up if you want to check it out. And then this is the first week of April. So here's what we have going on this week. Last week was kind of a bust with just like low motivation, and I got my second COVID shot and I was just like wiped out from that. So we're going to start fresh this week. I do want to start a new nonfiction book and have a self-care night, a hike at the canyon. I already have a reservation for that, and do one live or watch the replay. I've been trying to get in the lives and I forget, or I don't make it, but I'm going to try this week. Help teachers finish up their paperwork for the 6 weeks and for all their evaluation paperwork and stuff, and then work on a content schedule this weekend. Family contact, health and wellness. Hopefully I can get back on track this week. And then just kind of continuing these things in that area, update my budget, and then a few things around the house. But this is what I have going on. I've already got my pre-planning all ready to go, and I think we're ready to get started. So let's jump right in. So this is really easy with this kit because everything is like made for a planner like this. So I'm laying down the strips in the to-do section and the habit tracker section. I'm still going with 3 habits. That's working really well for me, and 3 rows of to-dos. So I may switch that up in the future, but I am enjoying that ratio right now. And then I'm looking for some date numbers to go with my date covers. And I pulled these from Sadie Stickers. They don't fit super well on the actual date covers, but I think they're really pretty and they went with the kit, I thought. So I don't know. I just went with it. So I'm putting those down on the date covers, and then I'm going to put those across the top of my boxes. And I'm still doing the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday over on the left side, and then the weekend on the other side, and that's working really well for me too. My brain just works like that, so I'm just kind of going with that. And here I'm putting down the weekend stickers right there. This kit did have matte gold foil, and I don't have a lot of matte gold, so I'm using shiny gold. It's all gold, right? It's fine. And then I just wanted to kind of zhuzh up my little habit tracker section. Usually if there's like deco in the kit, I'll use that, but for this one I just pulled a little flag and cut it down a little bit, and I just like the way that looks. And then I'm going to take my gray dot marker, and I do have these listed in the description. I always get questions about these markers. Just a light hand. It does still bleed. You see where I kind of whited out some of the little spots, but I have a heavy hand, so you may not have that problem. Okay, then on the sidebar, I'm just putting in the Happy Easter box, and then I pulled my April sticker from Planning Roses to put up at the top. And then for my cleaning checklist this week, I decided to go with a gray, and I just found a shade that kind of matched the kit. It's kind of a medium gray, and I'm going to put that down at the bottom of my sidebar. And then I'm going to pull in a checklist here. I'm going to cut it down for my top 3. I'm really enjoying the top 3 too. That's just like really like my priorities for the week. And I'm like, some of them are small things that just need to get done, and some of them are big things. So it just kind of depends on the week. And I pull those straight from my action items for the week. which you'll kind of see in a minute when I refer back to those when I'm filling in the spread. But then I pulled this half box for my like highlight of the week, and I'm just counting down to summer break. It's generic, but that's what I'm going with for right now. So I'm just pulling in these headers and stacking them as kind of washi, and then I'm putting this half box in. And then I wanted to just use some of this deco that I found in my stash, and it just looks like a pretty Easter dress. It's a little risque maybe for church, but it's really pretty and it matches the kit like perfectly, and I just thought that looked really cool with the flag next to it. It's kind of cute. So my top 3 this week are finish the end of the 6 weeks, and we've only got 1 left, and work on my content schedule and budget. And then I'm marking 8 weeks until school is out. Okay, so for Monday, I'm going to start with a quarter box here and a little speech bubble box from my current Sadie Stickers freebie. I do have a code for her shop. It's down in the description if you want to check that out. We had a bunch of meetings on Monday and Tuesday, and so I just kind of wanted to mark that in the same way. So I'm going to use another one of those little speech bubbles. And then right now I'm just putting in some of the full boxes here where just I want to put them. This is where I've been putting them lately. Next week I'm going to kind of mix it up and just try some other things, but I do like this placement of like the Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday kind of situation. And then I just pulled some of the layering pieces to mark my videos for the week. So Monday was my plan with me, and Wednesday was my haul, and Friday was my April goals video. And then back to the plans, I put in a 3rd box on Monday for my activity for that week, which ended up being a really good workout actually. And then here is my meeting, like marking my meetings for Tuesday, again with that little speech bubble. It is crooked on here, but I do go back and fix that at the end of the week because I thought it didn't bother me, and then it did. And then I'm just pulling in these 2 arrow stickers for my physical therapy for this week, which were on Tuesday and Thursday. So I'm just putting those in. I like things, if it's the same kind of event, I like them to look kind of uniform, like those meetings in physical therapy, just to kind of, I don't know, I just like the way it looks. And then I pulled in a Made with Southern Love sticker to mark my Blue Apron delivery on Tuesday. I am back to Blue Apron. I just really enjoy their recipes. Some of them are like different things that I wouldn't choose necessarily, and it's kind of fun to cook things that I haven't ever cooked before. And then on Wednesday, I just used one of the paperclip stickers from my current freebie to mark in. This was grades cutoff day. Our grades were due the next day at like 9 or 8 a.m. So I cut off my grades at 4 p.m. that day. And then to mark in the end of the 6 weeks, I pulled a laptop sticker also from my freebie. I was using the heck out of that thing this week. And I also marked in a training that we had all on 1 half box. I like the look of that. And then I put in my physical therapy label there and just pulled in one of the bow headers just because they're really pretty. And I love that like smoky purple gray color. Really gorgeous. And then on Friday, I had the day off, so I used a little arrow to mark that. And then for Saturday, I wanted to mark in my goals check-in with myself, and so I'm pulling in a highlighter, a mild liner highlighter from Blue Scooter Press. And then the Handkin Plan sticker is the goals check-in. And I just kept it really simple this week. I thought that looked really pretty, and it brought in a little bit more of that purple. And then to mark filming, I pulled in this little flag that I cut down plus a YouTube sticker. And then I put in a quarter box over here on Friday to mark in my activity, which was a whole lot of nothing. I just needed like a chill day, and Friday was that it for me. I just needed to relax, and so I listened to my body and I relaxed. And then on Saturday, I just put in a half box for I went on a good walk. And then I also went for a hike on Sunday. Well, I will. I'm filming this on Saturday. But I'm going tomorrow morning out to the canyon to do a nice hike. It probably won't be as long as I used to do, but I just need to get out in nature. Okay, so I'm looking at my weekly action items and I'm pulling things for my to-dos and my habits. So I'm pulling for my habits skincare routine, getting back into the habit of that. Also my PT exercises along with my PM routine. I feel like I'm making progress on my PM routine for sure. And my skincare really. And PT is just like something I have to do every day, which some days I'm better than others at like doing everything I need to do, but I gotta make those sacrifices to get that done. Here is the finished spread. It turned out so beautiful. I just love this. So much foil this week. Oh, it's gorgeous. And it just looks so pretty, like the neutrals with the gold. I love it. Let me show you what I have left in the kit. Since I did use the B6 kit, I used up a ton of it. This really is a great size for me. I found it to be pretty much perfect. And then let's check in with my goals for this week because some things went really well, some not so much. Okay, so this week, by the way, I just added some highlight. I just was feeling the highlighting this week. I don't know if I'll continue to do it, but I like it. Okay, so I did not start my new fiction book, my new nonfiction book, but I did start a new fiction book. So I finished the Bridgerton series finally. Took me forever, but I finished it. I started the Tattoo of Auschwitz. It's very interesting so far. And I did do my self-care. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark off that I did this, even though it's not, I started a book and that's what's important. I'm going on my hike tomorrow and I did do a planner live. I did the Moxie Life live. And then I did do my content schedule. I got everybody turned in their stuff on time. It's amazing. It was so good. I did text with my sister this week and I did call my parents a couple times. Sleep schedule, it's okay. It's like a check minus. Skincare is good. Skin is not great, but it is getting there again. Meal plan and activity was a check minus because I was lazy for a couple of those days. I also got my highlighters mixed up here, but that's okay. Daily Stoic, just a complete bust this week. And then memory keeping, I will get that done. And then trash bag walk around. Yard work, I checked off, but I didn't actually do it. Someone came by and did my yard. I saw it on my Ring doorbell. I couldn't figure out who it was. I still haven't figured. I've asked so many people and I don't know who did it. I think it's either one, a mistake, they did the wrong yard, or someone just did like a random act of kindness for me, which is so nice. And I'm just so glad that someone did that for me, if that's the case. Either way, super grateful. My yard's done for now. So that's just a good thing that happened this week, regardless of if it was a mistake or if it was on purpose. Okay, so here is this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Let me know how you're doing down in the comments below. Did you have a good Easter weekend? Let me know. I'm always curious. And I'll see you next time. Bye!